Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning. I am just waking up and making my bed. It's the first thing I love to do. And then I'm just getting into my gym outfit, and I'm gonna throw something light on top because it's a little chilly outside, and head there. My school has this little shelf where you can borrow books and then put books in, so you take one and then replace it with another one. So I was just looking at what books they had so far, and now I'm heading into the gym to get that workout in. So today's cardio focus for me, I'm just warming up with 10 minutes of stairs, and then I'm gonna move into abs. I really love to focus on my abs and my glutes. So I do a bunch of reps of sit-ups. Usually it's 25 reps and 3 sets of each ab workout. So I'll do that. I'll also do some crunches and usually toe touches, a bunch of different ab circuits. Now I'm getting some laundry done. I actually just changed into a different workout set that had pockets because I was walking outside and it was so nice outside, so I decided that I was gonna run outside my trail that's about 3-ish miles. So I'm just finishing up that laundry. I'm starting it before I go because by the time I'll get back it'll be done. So I just got out of the shower and I'm gonna do my skincare. As you can see from that run, my hair is a literal mess. I was like, should I put this bonnet back on? But I took it off. And I'm just washing my face with the Youth of People, their face wash, and using their moisturizing cream all over my face. It's really lightweight and I really love it. And then I'm gonna spritz my face with some Mario Badescu rose water. So my roommates and I literally keep no dishes in the sink, and I had my lunchbox in my room with my container from Clinical, so I just went ahead and washed that. And then also last night after the Drake concert, I literally just ate rice in my room and went to bed, so I'm just rinsing off that plate as well and getting all my dishes clean. So for breakfast today, I am eating avocado toast. It is a quick, easy go-to. I literally just cut up half an avocado, mash it, and I love to add sea salt, garlic salt, seasoning salt, all the salts, just light-handedly seasoning the toast. And then to add a side to this breakfast, I put some fresh raspberries, and then I'm having a gold blend of Rwandan tea with some honey, and that is breakfast for me. Good morning, guys, or afternoon. Honestly, it's afternoon. I'm having a really slow Sunday, which I love. Today I'm just having a self-care day because I'm always running around, and I think taking some time to just do the things you love and regroup is so important. And I'm also reviving from Drake last night. I went to the concert. It was amazing. I want to set aside some time to scan my schedule for the week today and see what I have going on, but I'm just gonna finish up my breakfast here and then get ready because I'm going to a bookstore with my friend Ingrid for a few hours, and we're gonna read there. They're having an event where you can come read in silence, so I wonder if they'll have snacks and stuff, but I'm just pretty, I'm super excited for that. So yeah, okay, I got this super cute bag and I'm gonna do some light makeup just for the day. It's so beautiful outside. I feel like in life it's so easy to look on the negatives and think about for instance, like how much you still have to go in something, or how it may seem like a drag. Like me in nursing school right now, I'm not saying it's a drag, but I'm saying like it's easy to be like, oh my gosh, I still have so much left to do and so much of school. It's like I get to be the provider, I get to be the person who is on the healthcare team that's not the patient, who is sometimes bedbound, can't even get up on their own. And it's easy to just be negative, but it's like once you realize that there's so much more to life, oh my gosh, everything is just a blessing. And I want to be surrounded by uplifting people. I want to uplift people. I want to have positive interactions with someone, not every time I'm in class, another day of this. It's like, and then that just goes straight into your career. The same people in class who are complaining about, oh, nursing school, blah, blah. I mean, it's the same way it's going to translate, at least the first couple months. Once you start working, it's like, okay, you're making money, but then it's, another day of work. Like, I want it to be positive for me. I get to go to work. I get to help people. I get to wear cute scrubs. I get to do my hair however I'd like. I get to make money. You know, there's so many blessings. The coffee shop. Can I say hi?
On the track, boy.
Okay, I made it back to my room with my friend Ingrid. That was so much fun. We went to the place, but actually it was pretty like packed. There wasn't really that much places to sit, so we ended up going to Thalmas, this coffee shop, and yeah, and then we went to Dick's, and that was really fun. We got her a backpack. She's going on a trip for spring break. But yeah, so now I am honestly going to get some Chinese food, finish setting up for the week, and adding to my calendar, getting on a face mask or eye patches. And just having a night. So let's go do that. I hope you guys had an amazing Sunday, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.